In today's digital age, having a website is no longer optional. It's a necessity for businesses and individuals alike. Your website is your online storefront, your communication hub, and your connection to a global audience. But before you can launch your site, you need a solid foundation. This is where web hosting comes in. Web hosting is the service that stores your website's files and makes them accessible to visitors on the internet. Choosing the right web hosting service is crucial for the success of your online endeavors. It can impact your website's speed, reliability, and security. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to navigate the world of web hosting. This guide will break down the different types of web hosting, their pros and cons, and key factors to consider when making a decision. Whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or an entrepreneur, understanding your hosting needs is the first step towards building a successful online presence. Making an informed choice will ensure your website has a reliable platform to grow and thrive. Let's dive into the world of web hosting and explore the options available to you. By the end of this guide, you'll have the knowledge to confidently choose the best hosting solution for your needs. Remember, your website is an investment, and choosing the right hosting is an investment in its future. Shared hosting is often the first point of entry for many website owners. It's like renting an apartment in a large building. You share the server resources, such as CPU, RAM, and bandwidth, with other websites. This shared environment makes shared hosting the most affordable option. Imagine multiple websites sharing a single pie. Each website gets a slice, but the size of the slice can vary depending on how much the other websites are using. This shared resource model can lead to the bad neighbor effect. If one website on the server experiences a surge in traffic or consumes excessive resources, it can impact the performance of other websites hosted on the same server. However, shared hosting is an excellent choice for beginners. It's easy to set up, user-friendly, and doesn't require advanced technical knowledge. Most shared hosting providers offer one-click installations for popular content management systems like WordPress, making it simple to build and manage your website. If you're starting with a small website, such as a personal blog or a brochure-style website for your business, shared hosting provides a cost-effective way to get online. It's a stepping stone, allowing you to test the waters of the online world before diving into more complex hosting solutions. As your website grows and attracts more traffic, you might need to upgrade from shared hosting. VPS hosting is the next step up, offering more power, flexibility, and control. Think of VPS hosting as renting a townhouse. You still share a building with others, but you have your own dedicated space and resources. With VPS hosting, your website is hosted on a virtual private server. While you share a physical server with other users, your virtual server is isolated, guaranteeing you a certain amount of resources. This isolation minimizes the bad neighbor effect and ensures more consistent performance. VPS hosting gives you more control over your server environment. You can customize your operating system, install specific software, and configure settings to optimize your website's performance. This level of control makes VPS hosting suitable for businesses with growing websites that require more resources and customization options. While VPS hosting is more expensive than shared hosting, it offers a good balance between affordability and performance. It's a suitable choice for businesses that have outgrown shared hosting but are not yet ready to invest in the resources required for dedicated hosting.